Do you enjoy grilling outside, but don't have a covered place to do it? Do you want peace of mind that your grilling will not be ruined by bad weather? If you have either of these concerns, a Grill Gazebos could be the best option for you. Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best Grill Gazebos. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss Grill Gazebos which are best sold and achieved top rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. MasterCanopy Grill Gazebo with LED light. Backyard barbecue can never be better with this Grill Gazebo with a double vented roof. The lovely Grill Gazebo will protect you from the scalding sun. Its soft double-tiered top offers superb stability in windy weather. The gazebo is built to last with a powder-coated alloy steel frame. It will hardly get oxidized or erupted. Its fabric cover is of superior quality as well. It is thick and sturdy and has double layers that allow proper ventilation, providing you with a cooler space and unmatchable stability. The Riplock fabric is super easy to clean and is both UV and water resistant. It is also fire retardant, so you wouldn't have to worry about grilling directly underneath it. In addition, the gazebo features 6 poles that make it firmer. They also prevent water from accumulating at the structure's top. Also featured are 2 shelves on which you can place your utensils or prepare your favorite salads and meats. Why is it special? This is undoubtedly one of the best barback gazebos owing to its exceptional build quality. It also comes with myriad accessories. Essentially, you don't have to decimate your bank balance to enjoy the convenience and comfort offered by this Grill Gazebo. Features: footprint size 8x5, height 8.5, material powder-coated alloy steel frame, Riplock fabric cover. Number 2. Amazon Basics Outdoor Patio Grill Gazebo. If khaki really isn't your color or doesn't match with your decor, then you can check out both red and brown versions here. Spending all of your time outdoors in the summer composting and grilling and working in the garden is great, especially if you have the right structure to protect yourself from the sun's harmful UV rays. Luckily for you, Amazon makes a great looking and incredibly useful grilling gazebo that won't break the bank. This lightweight option comes in 3 available options and 3 available colors. The featured gazebo is a khaki gazebo with LED lights, so you can continue grilling long after the sun goes down. There is a dome top option that is really cool. It has side curtains that can come all the way down and completely enclose the gazebo for night dining. The pop-up gazebo is a great mix of both of the previous designs. Easy to set up and take down, but with how attractive it is, you won't ever want to take it down. The pop-up's dimensions are 130x 130x 111 inches. Perfect for any size backyard or patio. Pros: 3 different styles, 3 different colors, very sturdy, great reviews. Cons: somewhat complicated setup. Number 3. FDW 8 feet x 5 feet Grill Gazebo. Here is another fantastic choice with a double vented roof. The FDW Gazebo has an impressive aesthetic appeal thanks to its double vented roof. It will make your outdoor space look luxurious. The double vented roof is also a major influential factor in terms of wind and UV resistance. Its powder-coated steel frame makes its durability and sturdiness a sure bet. What's more, it can take water quite well as it is both water and rust resistant. The gazebo is built to hold up well to bad weather. However, in case of a storm, you better fold it up and leave. On the flip side, the structure is fire retardant. You won't have to worry about it catching fire when you move the grill too close. It also allows maximum airflow and smoke ventilation, giving you a comfortable grilling experience. When the weather is good, the gazebo can accommodate up to 3 or 4 people. What makes it special? The double vented roof places this gazebo high among the premium quality ones despite being affordable. Apart from offering you maximum protection from the harsh weather elements when grilling, it will add a luxurious touch to your home. Number 4. GOJOOASIS Barbecue Grill Gazebo. The GOJOOASIS Gazebo is our top pick for all the right reasons. It has been carefully designed to offer you a comfortable and safe grilling experience. The gazebo boasts a durable construction with sturdy legs and a powder-coated frame. The frame and the legs are connected by a slightly bent steel frame for added durability. Its fabric consists of 180 grams of polyester, so you can also count on its durability. Plus, it is fire retardant. It won't catch fire when you put the grill too close. Further, the gazebo features a double vented roof which is both water and UV resistant. It protects you from rain and the scorching hot sun while ensuring optimal air circulation and smoke ventilation. What stands out? This is such a great canopy for the money as it is built to last, and it comes with a couple of accessories, including hooks, lights, iron mesh tables, and put-up fans. It is super easy to assemble and clean. The benefits and features. The greatest benefit would be its price, but there is more to this gazebo than you might think. Here are just some of the many benefits and features offered. The canopy is made from 180 grams polyester and has been treated with a fire retardant. The canopy is waterproof and will be able to withstand strong winds. The steel frame has been coated with a special powder to ensure it does not rust, ensuring the gazebo will last for a more significant period of time. The gazebo is 8 feet tall, ensuring most people will be able to fit underneath it. Number 5. Giantex Barbecue Grill Gazebo. The first concern when researching your gazebo purchase is making sure your grill will fit underneath the structure. Unless you have a 15-foot-long grill, then every one of these gazebos should do the trick. The next thing to consider is structural integrity. This one offers a durable canopy top that has 2 tiers for ventilation and also has a steel alloy iron frame that is nearly indestructible. This thing will last through harsh winters and years of standing outside. If you are looking for something easy to put up and take down, then you are looking at the right option. While there aren't a number of color choices, the beige is great because it matches and pairs with most decors indoors and out. This gazebo features hooks to hang your grilling tools on, which ultimately frees up more space on and around the grill for what is most important, grilling that tasty food. The entire gazebo is waterproof and will not rust throughout the years. The dimensions of this item are 96x60x 102 inches and it weighs 52 pounds when completely assembled. Pros: waterproof, lightweight, easy to build, high quality materials. Cons: one color choice. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.